Specks, guys.
Get ready on the specks. Coming hot, boys. Ready? Go!
Nice! All four!
Let's go, baby!
Let's go!
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Oh, here they come. You ready, boys, or what? Oh, yeah. Always ready.
Dude, we're gonna get them this morning.
Oh, man. So excited. Can't wait.
We're gonna get them.
Somebody want to jump in with me so I don't have to ride by myself?
I can jump in with you.
Okay, let's do it. So yeah, we got the mindak boys. They just showed up at the hotel. We're heading out on a old goose and duck hunt. They're just hopping in, so stick with us, guys, and let's do this. What's up, guys? So yeah, morning update. Just getting the spread set up. Old Slayman's back there brushing his burlap blanket like a mouse in the rug. Kevin's setting some decoys, so stay tuned. It's about to get hot. Well, we just got all set up. Just going to park trucks now. Head back to the spread and time to grease. Let's go, boys.
Go!
And it begins.
That feel, they did it so good.
They're coming.
You do them?
They're out there.
Well, get up and try it.
Yeah.
I can ground swap one.
We got that third one still over there.
Two of
One
those are
dead.
still... Dead.
That's okay. Man, they're coming in low, boys.
They were so low, bro. Three honkers.
Here comes these ducks. Here we go, guys. Oh.
Kill him up!
Oh. Everything I pointed at died.
Oh, that felt so good shooting big ducks. Oh my god.
Well, we got 6 ducks down. It's been a little slow trickle this morning. We're waiting for the big groups to start coming. It's still early, but so far so good with the boys. Just right on the ground, boys.
Do I do them?
Yep. Kill. I hit him.
Oh, shoot that one, Jeremy.
You get him.
Nice shot.
Nice.
Get ready, boys.
Bob him up!
Ah!
I shot horrible.
So did I.
Came in so fast, bro.
So did I.
God, I'm bro. So fast. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
They were doing it though.
Ducks were doing it, but they were really...
I'm kicking myself.
I mean...
Are they too close, boys, or what?
Holy cow.
Did you?
I was behind that first. I was like, oh my god, they're right there.
We better get in, guys. There's still birds working. Unless they're coming with them. Ooh. Let them do another turn.
I don't have eyes on them.
Left side, swinging left.
Oh my god. Come right.
Turn your spinners on. Get these ducks or what? Or wait for the flock in front.
These ducks are gonna do it. Swinging behind us, swinging behind us. Too much going on. Get ready on these ducks, guys. Ready on the ducks.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, that was tough. That was tough.
That sucked.
There's more ducks up front to the left.
Too much going on right now. I don't know what to do.
They gotta come around again here.
This back 5 are doing it.
Ready?
Yep.
Kill them, boys.
Right there, Sam.
All but one. All but one. Get ready, guys.
They're coming hot though.
Do it.
Dude, that's hot.
Let them swing one more then.
I might have clapped a couple of it.
Another 10 pass out front left.
Look at this, guys. Right side, right side.
Ready? Kill them up.
Dude, I watched like 7, 8 rain out of there, boys. Woo!
God, dude, what the hell?
Man, it was raining.
Bro, what the hell?
It was raining ducks.
out here today.
Goodness, dude. This is too much fun. Shells, boys!
Shells, boys.
The brothers are still raining, bro.
That was nice.
Heavy's up front again. There's 3 of them.
Specks, guys.
Get ready on the step. Coming hot, boys. Ready? Go!
Nice, all 4.
Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Mixed bag, guys. Oh my god. Did you see the maple? Oh, yeah. We had to get the specs, bro. Let's go,
Stay still, boys, stay still. Yep, go for it, boys. I only had 2 in. Nothing wrong with that.
On the left as well, but I think they're the same fucking spot.
No, straight on, straight on. 12 o'clock.
They were overcalling.
Should we try and be quiet this time? Here we go. Stay down. Hill. Nice!
Shooting. Really good.
Cleaning up, boys. Cleaning up on the way out, boys.
Nice. Clean up
More out
the
front
geese.
again, I don't know.
Stay still, boys.
They're gonna light down, I'm gonna let them. You know what? Kill them.
Do it.
You guys do that today.
What did we get there?
We're getting close on our duck limit. So.
Left side, here we go. The whole group's coming.
Ready? Kill them up!
Oh, I know where shells go. Oh,
They're all coming on the left.
What do you want?
The left group.
Ready.
Come on, boys.
Very nice.
I shot at the front lead bird 3 times, didn't drop him.
I was shooting the
Mid hunt update. We're done our ducks, 7:30. I think we got 22 geese on the ground, so a little slow to start, but then it ramped up. I'm like, couldn't keep up. More geese, more geese. More geese, gotta get in. Stay tuned, guys. Left side, boys, right on the deck.
You ready on the geese? Yep. Go, boy.
Not bad.
Go, boy.
Hell of a hunt. Welcome to Alberta, mindak. The boys are having a great time. We're close to a double-double. I think we're about 8 or 9 geese off our goose limb. We're already done ducks, so stay tuned, guys. How many geese are we at now? Glad you came or what?
Yeah, dude, this is awesome.
Welcome to Alberta, boys.
Shells, boy.
Them all?
All 5 of
That was
them, yeah.
deadly.
Yeah.
3 6 foot. Well, boys. Fuck it.
What time is it?
10 after 8.
Yeah, let's just get them piled up.
Okay.
Obviously, keep your shell handy just in case. But...
I leave that up to you, boys.
All right,
Good hunt.
truck, I can give you guys a
Thank
lift
you,
to
sir.
Good hunt.
Appreciate it. It was a little blast.
Good hunt, buddy.
Yeah, dude, let's go. Bro. This is so much fun, dude.
Good hunt.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Good hunt, brother.
Thanks for
Thanks. So we just finished up, and it went really good. Just taking some pile pictures, wrapping up all the decoys. Boys had an awesome time. Thanks for coming out, boys.
Thanks for having us, Jeremy.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Woo! Stay tuned for more. Catch you guys on the next one.
Subscribe, boys. Subscribe, boys.